Hey YouTube, this is Ryan here. I'm so sorry I haven't been doing videos lately. I forgot about the YouTube account, all this school shit and all that. That BB gun review that I did, you could go watch it. I'll put it in the description below. I wanted to make like another one, but like part 2, because I bought some more stuff. I decided to make a video on like this hat. Yeah, whatever. So to the point, I'm gonna show you what it is. I got older and all that, right? 2 years ago. So part 2, just about 2 minutes long. It's just two more things there, and then wrap it up. Okay, you already saw this. These are the bullets, right? I got yellow and white bullets in here. Decided to put in a bottle because the jar was the round jar was a bit dirty, so I decided to put in a Gatorade bottle. So yeah, and that's obvious. I don't have to explain. Now, here is something that I really like. A mask. Airsoft mask. Oh my god. It is awesome, It even protects the ears. Right there. You get a shot to anywhere there, you won't feel a thing. And don't worry about this. It's plastic and made for airsoft guns to get shot at. It'll never break, nothing. It's really cool. Let me just show you one more time to get a great view. This is the front, you could tighten it for a size right here. And it works perfectly for me. There's a breathing, you could breathe in it everywhere. And it's comfortable in here. See this? It's squishy, so it's comfortable right there. And this, even the ear protection, yeah. And I don't think I showed this on the video. I'm just going to show it again. I think I have a tactical vest. Pretty awesome, right? Let me take it out. Actually, I won't take it out. So it carries all your software accessories, like, I don't know, your bottle of flashlight, a knife, anything. There's it's very big on me, but you could tighten the size. As the tightest, still a bit big on me, so I put it on a jacket. It's highly durable material. Don't know what that. And adjustable fit. So yeah, on the back side tells you everything. Storage for all your accessories. Okay, so you adjustable straps. In the back, you have a famous brand called Swiss Arms. And you can put one of your guns there, or whatever. Batteries like CO2 cartridges, piles, batteries, and okay. High capacity magazines. You can put some magazines in it, extra clips, Spare magazines. Tactical flashlight, and yeah, here it tells you this is the back and this is the front. So yeah, let me just show you actually what it's like. So this is what it looks like. You could zip it on. Right, there you go. This is what it looks like. You see. Got mags here, you can put your bullets everywhere, zips inside also. In the back, you have your famous brand, Swiss Arms. It's a very protectable vest. I say all you would need is to put like at least a sweater, because it's like sleeveless, so you get a shot there, it actually hurt if it's a big gun. And yeah, that's about it. It's very comfortable and everything. love here. This is the back where you can put your gun in. I can put my shotgun, my pistol. It works very well. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.